Hello guys, this is sort of a test, but at the same time it's I don't know. I wanted to show you guys how to well, for those of you who don't know how or never did it or never bothered messing around with this Astral Seer. I gained so many points with my where is he at? Oh wait, there it was. Crap. I gained so many points with my Galahad. It's not going to show it. All right, but yeah, I've got like 140,000 power for him. So I mean, and she's at like 113 or something. So I'm starting to bang her out too. I'm going to start doing the rest of the guys. Currently, I was going to do him yesterday, but instead I start working on Orion and Kark. So Kark was so close, I thought, you know what, maybe I'll do that quick video. So go back, hit this, bang out some, see if we can get 4 up. There we go, right there. We have enough. Ooh, we might have enough to do them higher than that. Wow, look at all these. Oh my God, I got 10, 20, 130 of them. Wow. Hold on. Talking about getting exactly what you want. My sound's been screwy lately. I'm hoping that the sound works. You know, hold on a second. All right, I'm back. I just hope the sound works. If the sound doesn't work, then I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to do. I used to do that test, and it doesn't have a button for that test anymore. Anyway, so what I was saying before I paused the video, I've been working on, I should work on Dante. Wow. I didn't even think of working on Dante. I should work on Dante too. Alright, so I have a choice. I could do the 300, the 350, or the 400. I think I'm going to do the 400. See, my sound is not working. I don't know what is going on with my sound. It was on mute. I don't even know how that happened. But doing these videos, the last couple weeks, my sound has not been working good. All right. So, anyways, this is my little hint, my suggestion to get stronger. The ascension of your top 5 to 10 heroes. The more you do, the more powerful these guys become. So I'm working on my 11th highest hero. 14, 17, Aurora, 21 for Aurora. I've been working on these guys here. I did Jew the other day. I did Martha. I forget. I think I did Anvari and Satori also. I was doing all these guys. So, but anyways, that's what you should do. So I figured I'd make a little video showing how to do it, how to improve your team, and check my sound at the same time. So what I think I'm going to do really quick, I'm going to do one more of these just as a test. Let's see what else I can get. All right. Ooh, good. I need these. So I picked up 40 of those. Let's go one more time. Another quick 100 green ones. What are they? Agility. I don't think I've seen the blue ones too much. Good. I'm getting these. I need these resilience insignias. Alright. And 10 eternal seeds. That's pretty good. Alright. What the hell? Go one more time. $80 more. Wow. Oh, finally. intelligence crystal. It's not even at 100. Another thing you could do, which I tried to show you in the last video, but I don't think the sound was working. Go into here. Go into here, and then you've got tons and tons of these random crystals, all these different vibrants, these things. I used a whole bunch of them. Yeah, I'm running low. But for example, if you needed these random greater insignias, you just click them, hit this, and it'll give you 145 of them. I just used a bunch of them. Right. So example, let's say I wanted to do this. Go in here. Now I'm getting all these. I needed some green ones. Look at all the greens. Reds and greens. And now the blues finally. I don't want to wait around for 80 crystals, so. But yeah, who knows? Maybe I'll have enough to move Kark up again. Let's go see. Alright, and after this, I will probably pause the video, or maybe I'll just end it, make it quick. While I was down at that other spot, I should have checked. To see what kind of power I had on. Alright, so he's still short 72. You know, I probably could do that seer one more time, and maybe the way it's been going for me, I've been getting really lucky. There it is. I thought it was a 50 at first. We would have had it. So I'm still going to be short 30 some. Screw it. I'll go one more time. All right, we'll be short 22. So I'm going to go one more time, even though I didn't want to do this. There we go, 50. Wow. We might be able to go high again. I might be able to hit 400 instead of 350. Screw it. We'll go for 400. There we go. We got it. Again. We might be able to go for 450. We could. All right, let's see here. Can't believe how generous that's being with the green ones. I could go there, or I could actually finish her off, maybe. I could. But, like I said, I'm working on Kark. So I could take the small Kark, the medium Kark, or... Wait a minute. Both of these are 350? Oh, 450. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna do the 450 one, just because it's hard to get it that high without hitting those 3,000 emerald spin things on the Astral Seer. All right. So now all we need is 272 here. Yeah, that's good. We'll need 322 there. But that's good. Now I'm going to go back down and just check and see. I think he was at 55 or 56 when I started that. 55 maybe? Nah, I don't know. Maybe he was 45. I forget. See, I should have looked before I did it. But yeah, just for example, see that? 139,000 from doing that. I'm 700, a little over 700 away from 140,000. So take my advice, use that Astral Seer. If you got the emeralds to spare, this boosts up your hero. I was like, my titans were higher than my heroes. Now watch this. I think the last time I checked it was like 680 for my heroes and 620 something for my Titans. Let's see here. Heroes is now 694. I just raised it another 14,000 doing that. And then this one is, look at that. These Titans were always higher than my heroes until I start doing that Astral Seer thing. So my advice to you is upgrade with that Astral Seer. It really, really puts a lot of power onto your team. All right, 10-minute plus video, good enough for me. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm out.